I'd like to have the ability to own my data and determine, I want to sell it to you, and I sell you my information, you can now sell me services and or give me offerings on certain things, right? But we don't have that control, right? We have given up our information in our current state, and we don't maintain that access.
Yeah, and that not that well explained. You know, those around that crossed my mind, and and others. And also, I think that there is this question. I think is in information technology, like worldwide for the whole world, not just for us in the U.S.
Or it could be you yourself, what you've experienced too.
Yeah.
I think people often misconstrue IT as being this digital thing, and it very much is not. I mean, that's kind of what it encompasses a lot of currently, but that's not, historically, it's not been digital.
Yeah, I mean, information technology, to me, I mean, today.
This is information technology right here.
Exactly, and even 1,000 years ago, there was technology back in those years, whatever it was, maybe just a stone, a whatever,
They developed pyramids before we.
Yeah.
I mean, there has been technology, and technology and we are focusing on information, on computers, networks, AI, all of this. I think we are speaking mainly, I thought we were speaking mainly about this kind of technology. And so, yeah, so I was gonna ask you, and thank you for that, I just wanna be in my head, be like, hey.
There's no wrong answer.
No,
What makes sense to you?
No,
Anyway,
it's
I
not
just want to say
wrong
thanks.
Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, same here. Yeah, thank you.
I don't know if you just today.
Yeah, just today. Yeah.
Well, we'll see you around.
No, it was great. I had fun.
Well, definitely, I'll ask you more questions, because I'm at the very beginning of going down
I'm gonna take that.
I hate to take that.
application development.
Okay. Yeah.
So I'm definitely curious.
Yeah,
to know more about
if you have interest in like the web development or the full stack.
Yeah.
Then.
So I've taken, I've gone through, boot camp, which I thought was a horrific waste of time and money.
Yeah.
And so I can appreciate kind of taking a more iterative approach to it and being able to build across that. I work in a help desk at UW currently.
Okay.
So it's definitely a unique and interesting environment to kind of be at the forefront of these things, and I can kind of see, one of my main jobs is working on we're the service desk, right? And so we use ServiceNow for our ticketing system. So one of my main jobs is how can we improve our routing components, right? And so I'm trying to think about it long term. How do we, in the bigger picture, how do we abstract the middleman information so that we can make our customer experience better, right? How do we cut out this big funnel? Everything is just thrown at this one email address and we have to spit it out elsewhere.
Yeah.
It should look like that to our customers, but it should be these unique delivery systems that go exactly to the teams that they want to be able to support.
Yeah. So that's a good example of a framework where you can use different types of applications that you can create to manage that, or you can, again, data analytics to understand it or to predict. Yeah, so you have, so that is a nice curriculum to go through all of this. And you do cover all of it. That is the 101 level, so you do cover web development, creating a website.
Doing a full stack, whatever the.
Well, generally, yeah, so you will create some of the full stack, but it's based with the core of the web development class is developing a web page with front end and a little bit of back end.
So any like CRUD components?
You can do it from scratch.
Yeah.
But, or you can use a library like React, which
Has its pluses and minuses.
Eliminates its need for the back end.
Yeah.
You do everything in the front end.
Yeah.
Or you can use other type of frameworks out there that does the same thing. We've done a lot in this class, class. But again, it's just scratching the surface. It just feels like every time you go deeper, it's like
You're in over your head very quickly.
you feel that way, but then all of a sudden you feel like I don't know enough. It's like, gosh, I don't know this.
That's why I'm loving being at the help desk, because I'm seeing it's like all these tickets.
Yeah.
Like, I'm on the pulse of everything that's coming in.
Right.
It's
Yeah,
like,
you can see.
where is this going? Where are the shared servers? Where are the managed servers?
Yeah.
Where's?
Yeah, you have a good understanding of the client, like the
That's
problem
very good.
and the status, right? So.
Yeah, and that's kind of, when I'm making a mention about the IDLE, like the IDLE framework, right? We're very much thinking about like we are an IT service provider, and if there is a break in service, what are the actions that we're taking to bring that back up? So, like, you know, as we develop into cloud computing, I'm sure that SLAs and the service level agreements existed before then, but have
Oh,
they
yeah.
just taken on a whole nother level of prominence now? Because
No,
this is-
they're always gonna be the same.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, you know, every vendor you work with, or even internal, you're gonna have them SLA.
Yeah, I guess my question there is more on the on.
SLA as far as the
Yeah,
guarantee.
that's right.
The on-demand is their keyword they've been using here to say that that's what cloud services or cloud, what a cloud is about.
Gotcha.
So,
That's more of a-
yeah, I think, yeah. So, but yeah, there's always gonna be a level of agreement that you have to work out with the company.
Yeah.
And if you don't provide, then there's gonna be a charge for.
It's worked. I got it working.
You
I'm
got it
gonna
working?
go. Yeah.
Okay, great, so that's logging into your desktop,
Mhm.
and then also it logs into Wi-Fi,
Yeah.
and then you use
I'm
CTC
Chris.
to
Chris,
log
this
into
is
Canvas.
Yeah.
Okay, great, so you're all set up, and just make sure you do that tonight.
Or tomorrow morning. Yeah. What were everyone doing on the computer?
That's good.
Yeah.
You work,
Because I saw everyone.
Oh, no, everybody was just logging into their Canvas, and then also in our Seattle College Canvas, and then also some of them were logging into the system, the Amazon Academy Canvas. So that's that email that
yeah.
Bob has sent you
But you do have
to create an
experience, I
AWS
believe.
account and then
I
to log in, so that you'll have access to the slides, you'll see the videos, and then also take the quiz for
the services and the experience. I back it up.
So I'm able to do this next week.
Yeah, I mean, it's.
It'd be better to do it
But I mean,
tomorrow.
you know,
or tonight.
so
that you can have access to it, so that if you have any problems, Bob will help you out.
You know, they don't try to approve you.
Oh, okay.
I wouldn't wait last week,
Oh.
because next week's gonna be another week or
And you
two.
know what you know.
Oh.
And so we're talking right now, and I think you do.
Okay, I'll try to work on that for sometime tomorrow. Guess I'll see you next time.
Oh, you won't, I'm just substitute for one day, so Bob will be here next week.
Oh, okay. Thanks for everything.
Hey, welcome, glad you got in.
Yeah.
Right, I think that any of us in here now.
Take care, buddy.
I think that any of us